That's for you, Dot. That's for you. Jokes on you. We want to lose. On God.
Who has that? Wow, trolls and fucking unrated, bro.
On
That's crazy.
baby.
On job, bro. On skibbity. She stays alone at B. Kind of fucking. What the hell, bro? She's literally a serial killer, bro.
Serial killer.
I'm out of here.
Ah.
One's right there. Sage is tagged.
You're dead. Spike planted. There.
He's somewhere up there.
Gotta go. Enemy killed. There.
Oh shit. 187 Phoenix.
Last player
You said 187 on Phoenix?
I baited him.
He did indeed.
On your left.
One enemy remaining.
Everyone's so heavy.
You serious, bro?
I was looking at the wrong.
Ooh.
I was looking at the wrong thing.
Oh my God, we're so close to winning, but I have to leave in 10 minutes, bro. I'm fucked.
I know. I'm trying to hurry up.
I know, dude. Fuck my life, dude. I'm gonna just rush. I don't give a fuck. He wants to go B? God, bro.
I guess.
Gotta go.
Fuck. I got spotted.
There. Here we go. Zap.
They took the zip line. They took the zip line.
Running low.
Our spawn, our spawn, our spawn.
Spike down B. One enemy remaining.
Like somewhere here, I think. I don't know.
Yeah, he's in our spawn.
Team Ace.
Team Ace.
You all are wonderful.
Let's go.
I got your backs. Just go, go from the front.
Nate, I could buy you a rifle, bro. This is funny, bro. Unrated things, bro.
I know.
B again? Aren't they gonna wait for us?
Gotta go.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I'm out of here.
120 on KJ right here. Oh, KJ's hit 120. Nice.
Shortcut.
Come on, guys. I have 8 minutes to finish this game, bro. Fuck.
I'm out of here.
One enemy remaining.
Almost out.
On me. 30 on Sova. Let's go.
Last round before the switch.
Find the use for every last credit.
Oh man, we still have the switch.
This is gonna be close. I have 7 minutes, bro.
Go, go, go. Gotta go. I'm out of here.
I wonder
go,
how.
guys. Wait for it to land. I got
Keep up.
this. Homemade dart, by the way.
What is he yapping about, bro?
His dart.
Oh.
Gotta go.
Oh shit. They
Spike
shot me
down
through smoke.
My ult's not that tight.
It's okay, bro. We gotta delay your shit, bro. Okay, bro. You can hold it, bro.
My God,
Hold it in.
bro.
standing.
Of course they're gonna get one round before the half. Oh
Hold
my
it in, bro.
fucking
Oh
god,
my.
Hold in
bro.
the shit, bro. Hold
They
it.
just spray the
Hold it.
smoke, dude. God, you
Hold
guys
it.
are so talented, man. You guys are so fucking talented, bro. Oh my god. God bless you guys.
I'm out of here.
Who plays this game 4 hours before they start their shift? Are you like what? That's actually fucking demented, bro. What the hell?
Mhm.
4 hours before you have to start work? I would never, bro.
Someone said that?
The guy that's playing the guy that's playing Brimstone.
Oh.